So hi everyone. This is me Arun Sarma Dahal, and I'm a CSC student. Especially taking like a CS 230 class at section 3. So I went to the Meetup program, and I went to the event as well. And the program was hosted by Portland Web Development Club. Um, and it is regarding like the integrating artificial intelligence into web development projects, and the URL for the event is right here in the screen. And let me see over here. So location, it was online, and on 20th of 9th 2023, and time was 6 p.m. To 7:30 p.m. And it is regarding like integrating AI into web development project. And so the presenters for the event was Ovik Kachikayan. Ovik Kachikayan, sorry if I pronounce it wrong. So Ovik Kachikayan is the senior full stack developer for Datacrons, and he's also the team lead for Datacrons as well. He started his career as a senior software engineer from 2018 to present. So from he started his career on 2018, and after he graduated, I think he graduated in 2017, and at 2018 he became a software engineer in some companies, and from there like his journey started until now he's a software engineer. And right now at present he's a software senior software engineer in Datacrons as well. And another presenter was Frank Dipmat. Frank Dipmat is the marketer for Datacrons. He's also the founder of Pink Bird Marketing and Hack, Hactoria. His main work for Datacrons is to once again, do the marketing, and also target the attract the audience, you know in order to attract the audience, and also like market their new product, the Datacrunch product, in the market. And let me see. So in the discussion in the meetup, Frank Dipmat and Ovik Kachikian, sorry, first started with their introduction. At first, they introduced themselves, like who they are, and then where they work and everything. And from there, they introduces their new product called Takomo.ai, which is also an app. And the Takomo AI app is a no-code product for web developers to acquire knowledge and mastery in web developing. The AI skills of this application has three different ideas. So this app has like three different ideas. One is guess game. The player has to figure out which image matches the prompt with question. And NSFW filter. NSFW, in the full form for that is not safe for work. And the app filters replies, images, audio, and other content before displaying it. Like the app will filter it. Like if there is any unsafe replies, audio, image, or anything, then it will just it won't display it. If it will filter it. And um, it has mobile images. The app can create mobile application, and a mobile application for image generation. Um, the app can do that as well. And after the detail of the app, we saw the demo. This shows like the demo of like how the app works. And then let's say we tried like various images, and then various audio as well. And then like it really like worked. This NSFW filter, like it filter it, and then like if it is the right content, then it will like display it. If it is not right content, then it won't display it. And we saw the guest game, like how it works, as well as the mobile images as well. And this was pretty like nice demo. So after the meetup, we had some time for question and answer. And at that time, like I got a chance to meet with Frank Dipman. um I asked him a question. regarding like how safe or how secure is Takuma that AI app, like in order to save the user login info. Because right now, like as we have heard like different news rumors as well, like they are like the companies are stealing the users login and everything, and then they are like misusing it, right? So regarding that, like I just asked him like how secure is the Takuma app. So his answer to my question was, we as you can see it over here, he said we are GDPR compliant and don't log anything we don't absolutely need. That was his replies. And Frank Demand is the marketer as well as the community for Datacrons as well. Datacrons is the company. It's a tech company, and both Ovik and then Frank, they work in the same company, and then they came up with the new product called the Takuma app, and which is good app. Like I this was the demo, and which is nice. So our meeting was scheduled for 1.5 hours, but ended up for like 2 hours. I really enjoyed the meeting because I got a chance to explore various new tech products, chances to make various tech group, as well as chances to meet professional people to gather more knowledge and information in tech field. I am already engaged in 8 different tech group right now. Like yeah, I am engaged in 8 different tech group. Sorry. And also like definitely I will attend their event as well. I'm getting a lot of notification from our group, like hey, this at this time, like we have a meeting or whatever. So whenever I get a chance, like I'll just attend their meeting as well. It's a nice platform. It's a nice platform. I like it. So for my part B, I went to IEEE for general meeting. So location was Zoom meeting, and the date and time was October 19th, 2023 at 12:30 p.m. So detail. In the meeting, like basically like they were talking about, like they have this they launched the new program called IEEE Extreme program, where like the student have to have like in a group of three, and then program is for the student competition where group have to solve the programming problem set, like there will be like multiple like programming set, like they have to solve it. So it's for the student, like the competition, like whoever like can solve it on time, and then uh, perfectly, then that group will won. The program was held on October 27th, 2023. Which yeah, it's already passed. And also like the host was talking about like the B-sides talk and the IEEE swag, the design also. And it is the group, it is a group where like a lot of students attended, like a lot of students, like I was the one like who attended their meeting. At first I was there early, and then later on, like student, they started adding up more. So I think if I'm not mistaken, like there was like a 40, if not 30 to 40 people who attend the meeting. So it was really nice meeting as well. So let me see. Okay. So regarding the Stack Overflow, and recently I took my Java classes last semester, and I use this Stack Overflow a lot because there will be a lot of questions regarding, because since if you are a new learner, or if you are a new if you are new in Java thing, like in tech field, like it's really nice platform, like where you can just question it, and then there will be like a lot of answer regarding it, like with the solution. So which is very nice. So I still remember when I used Stack Overflow in order to solve my coding problem. Attach was my first question that I searched in Stack Overflow. So my first question that I asked was like, my how can I make it so why my because I was working in a while loop. So like there was some problem, like my program was not working perfectly. So like I just asked a question in Stack Overflow, and then they just there was an answer already to it. So, and with the the programming thing, with the code. So this Stack Overflow is very very nice platform, like where student can learn a lot of things from this platform. Obviously we are not a machine, so obviously we will have a lot of questions, we will have a lot of problems as well. Like we can just we can just search it up over here, and then maybe like there will be like answer to it already. If not, then like in like 2 to 3 in 2 to 3 days, like some like professional will answer your question, which is a very nice platform for the CSE student. So this is my GitHub right here, and in my in my own words, like the GitHub is the online platform where developer can store, track, and collaborate in software projects. So where like a developer can store their code, and also they can track it, and they can collaborate with their a software project or any other project. And it's a you can do it private as well as you can make it public. Like if you make it public, then everyone can see like what is that project, and how is how does it work. And it's a nice platform as well. And I'm new to this GitHub, so I'm still learning it. And but in my knowledge, the GitHub is the online platform where developers can store, track, and collaborate in software project. And I think that's it for my project. And um, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like while I was doing research and while I was working on my project. And this new platform like GitHub and then Stack Overflow, like it's a really nice platform that I'm learning it right now. So I'm enjoying it. And again, thank you for your time, and thanks for joining it. And I really appreciate it. Just let me know if there is any question or concern. You can just comment it below, or if you like my video, you can also like, share, subscribe. Thank you. And this is me, Arun, again. Thank you.